In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Airwallex API key. Now, I'm showing you this inside a sandbox demo account, but it's going to work the exact same way if you have a real account as well. So go over here on the left and click on Developer, and then from here you can see it says Manage API Keys. You can either click on the Manage API Keys button or click on API Keys up top. It's going to take you to the same page, okay? So this tab up top. Then from here you have two options. You can of course create a scoped key, or you could create an admin key. So if you want to create a scoped key, just click on New Scoped API Key here in the top right, and then you have to give it a name. I'm going to name this one Tutorial, and then you can of course set different global permissions, and you can just go ahead and select like all the things if you want to have them write, all, or read. So it's up to you. You can just go and select all or just some of them as well. And then here you have things like billing, webhooks, account permissions, etc. So you can set all these check marks, the ones you want to give it, and then you can just click on the create button down here at the bottom right. You have to verify with your password. So of course this is for security purposes. I'm going to type in my password and click on continue, and then it's going to create you the admin account, or the of course API key, the admin API key, or this one is actually scoped, the other one is going to be admin. So you created a scoped API key just like this. Okay, you'll be able to find the API key over here. You can only see it once, and make sure you actually store it securely, because this is not info you should share. Now I'm going to delete this one right after this video. It's inside the demo account, so of course I can show it to you, but in your case don't show it to anyone. Okay, then whenever you're done, click on the done button here, and that's pretty much all you have to do to get a scoped key. Now if you want an admin key, click on over here and click on generate, and then click on generate yet again, and that's going to again prompt you to type in your password. So I'm just going to type in the password over here and click on continue, and this is going to give you your admin API key, which looks like this. You can copy it. Again, don't share it with anyone, and of course put it into a secret storage, because you won't be able to see it again. So that's essentially how to create an Airwallex API key. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.